He goes, look, I cut the motor so I can catch it.
You're attacking it. Hey. You're attacking the plane. Well, very nice. You're attacking the plane. Yeah, I heard that. That was very nice. Oh my god. That was a dog chasing it, man. What's wrong with this? Nature doesn't like this plane.
Yeah, trimmed out the plane.
Where'd the magpies go?
I think they didn't like being hit by it. I think they hit the prop.
Probably. If they're not hurt. No grip, because we're recording the plane.
You want to fly?
I'm sure.
We land or you want to...
Yeah, land it.